Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive a post on Instagram. Archiving an Instagram post hides it from your profile and makes it disappear so your followers and other people on Instagram can't see it. You can unarchive Instagram post anytime you want to bring a post out of hibernation and back into your profile. Let's see how to unarchive a post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile. Select the hamburger icon in the top right section. Now tap on the archive. On the top, tap on the drop-down menu on the side of Stories Archive and select Posts Archive. Click the photo you want to unarchive. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Show on Profile. Now it'll appear on your profile again. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.